So this is what we are going to be expecting for the week on our Euro JPY. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates we are going to be posting for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our EURJPY. So last week, right? Last week Friday, which was on Friday, I did this analysis for you guys. I told you guys clearly that markets will push up right from this level and give us a bullish move for the day. This is exactly what market did. Market gave us a bullish move for the day. That was on Friday. That is to tell you that our prediction on EURJPY was absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe, because our analysis, 90% of our analysis are actually correct. So in order for you not to miss out on more updates, all you just need to do is very simple. Click on that subscribe button, like and share. Now, EURJPY eventually give us a bullish move that we're expecting it to give us, right? Then here comes the pullback, right? Our next movement on EURJPY will be another bullish move that should come to hit level of 184, close to a level of 185. So we are currently trading at 183.3. That is the level we are currently trading on our EURJPY. So we'll be expecting EURJPY to push up to a level of 184.9 or a level of 185. So within those two levels, that actually be a movement. So that's just to tell you that with such a movement, we are going to be grabbing about 170 pips. So basically, if you go in for the buy on your EURJPY and it comes to tap a level of 184.9 something, right? We are going to be coming out with about 170 pips. So this is why you should go in for the buy if you've not done that. Now, in order for us to be able to predict what market will going to do for us this week, we also need to go to our higher time frame, which is a weekly time frame. So what is the trend? First thing first, before you take a trade, you need to understand something, which is the trend. Now, if you take a look at it right on our EURJPY, you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. So this is the impulsive move market did, right? Within this impulsive move, there is a series of higher high and higher low market play, right? Then here comes the corrective phase. Within this corrective phase, there is a series of lower low and lower high. Then here comes the impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and higher low, right? Here comes the corrective phase, right? Which is a series of lower low and a lower high. Then market was able to push up to give us another impulsive move, which is a series of higher high, higher low, higher high and higher low. Then here comes the corrective phase, right? Which is a series of lower low and a lower high. Market was able to push up to give us another impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and higher low. And here is the corrective phase. And now this is also the impulsive move. And this here is the corrective phase that market has given. So with this corrective phase that market has given us, we will be expecting another impulsive move. That is to tell you that if you are a position trader and you would like to hold your position for the next 3 months, 4 months, or even 6 months, right? I'll say between 4 to 6 months. If you would like to hold your position for the next 4 to 6 months, going for the buy, because in the long run, EURJPY will be giving us a bullish move. Now let's go down to the daily time frame and see what market is doing right here. So this is it right on our daily time frame. What is the trend right here? You can clearly see that within this level we're ranging. So when market was able to come to this resistance, it rejected and come to tap our support level, right? Then we had a rejection from our support level that pushed out to tap our resistance. The market rejected from the resistance and dropped to our support level, right? Now from this our support level, markets rejected and pushed out to come to this our resistance level. Now from this resistance level, we had a rejection that made market to drop to this our support. Now from this our support level, we will be expecting a rejection also on our EURJPY that will eventually push it to come to tap our resistance level. So that is to tell you that whatever you would want to be doing on your EURJPY, you should be anticipating for a bullish move that will push up, to tap a level of 184. That is what you should be expecting. You know that they said it previously that 184.9 or it's a level of 185. That is what you'll be expecting. So 4-hour time frame also, we'll also be expecting a further bullish move. So we've covered the 4-hour time frame. So a bullish move for the week is what to be expecting. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comment, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.